Culpable homicide is a broader legal concept encompassing any death caused by a person, while murder is a specific and more serious form of culpable homicide, requiring a higher degree of intention or knowledge that the act will cause death. Essentially, all murders are considered culpable homicide, but not all culpable homicides are murders. Culpable homicide, Section 299, IPC. Definition: causing death with the intention of causing death, or with the intention of causing bodily injury likely to cause death, or with the knowledge that the act is likely to cause death. Example: a person hits another with a stick, intending only to cause a serious injury. The injured person dies due to the injury. Murder, Section 300, IPC. Definition: a more serious form of culpable homicide, requiring a specific intention to cause death or knowledge that the act is likely to cause death, often with premeditation. Example: a person plans to kill someone by shooting them, and the victim dies. Key differences. 1. Intention. Murder requires a higher degree of intention or knowledge to cause death, while culpable homicide may not. 2. Severity. Murder is generally punished more severely than culpable homicide. And 3. Exceptions. There are exceptions where culpable homicide, even if it involves an intention to cause death, may not be considered murder, such as cases involving grave and sudden provocation. Landmark cases. State of Andhra Pradesh vs. Rayavarapu Punya, 1976. This case clarified that culpable homicide is the genus, and murder is the species. Kusamaji vs. State of Orissa, 1985. This case highlighted that culpable homicide not amounting to murder can occur when bodily injury is likely to cause death, and the act is out of a sudden moment, rather than pre-planned. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment.